Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to attempt to recreate this look by celebrity hairstylist Arrogant Tae. He's the stylist to Nicki Minaj, amongst many others. And I think I got the perfect unit to try to recreate this. So guys, wish me luck. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by XrsBeauty, and these are all the items that came in the packaging. I'm not sure if they are free or available for sale on the website, but I'll have all the information linked in the description box down below. And the unit I'll be reviewing today is their 18-inch straight 13 by 6 clear lace wig, and this is in 200% density. As you can see, this unit is pre-plucked. Okay dolls, so today I decided to do a ball cap. I haven't done a ball cap in a while. I almost forgot how to do it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I had to go watch my old tutorial. If you haven't seen that tutorial, then you should. I'll be sure to link it at the end of this video. Anyway, let me go ahead and try this unit on so we could get an idea of what it looks like and see if I'm gonna do any customizations. Okay, so I can tell that this is pre-plucked and the front looks very good. It looks very natural, so I won't be doing anything there. The sides are not plucked as much, so I think I might go in just slightly and pluck those sides a bit. This one actually I think looks better than this one, or it could just be the angle. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck the sides slightly and then I'll be right back. Okay, so that was pretty easy. I did go ahead and I added the elastic band. So I will say this unit is big head friendly. Okay, so now it's ready for me to install. Guys, what I do want to point out is that I did notice that this unit has a hairline that kind of goes in, which is good and bad. I like it because it's not just a straight across, so it does give more like a natural appearance. However, with it going in, for it to line up with the side of my hairline, it means it's going to have to lay low on my head. This is too low to lay on my head. I don't like my units to lay low on my head. So this is good for you girls who have big foreheads, who kind of want the unit to lay low. But for me, even though I feel like I got a big forehead, I don't like my unit to lay low. I ended up plucking the front just a little bit because I'm gonna have to cut some of this hairline off. And it pains me to do that because they pluck the front of this unit so well. But it is what it is. So I'm just gonna take some of this hair out and see where I want to cut. Okay, so I think this is how much I'm gonna cut off. So today's wig I will be laying down using the dual tip Almighty Bond glue. This one gives an okay hold, but it's good for when you want just a little bit more than a got to be glue hold, but not something that's gonna last for a couple of weeks. So I'm gonna push this hair back and I'm gonna take the pointy part of the applicator and just lay that right along the hairline. So I'm gonna wait for that to dry and then apply the second coat. Okay, I'm ready for the second coat, and I realized I was actually using this wrong. I forgot that this spreading tip also applies it, so you can actually do it in one motion. The downside about using the glide tip is that sometimes it does dispense too much glue. Definitely put too much right there. I'm just gonna spread this down. Now that the glue is mostly clear, I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down. I'm gonna check to make sure that the sides are down. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my elastic band and just lay that right on the hairline. Now I'm gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this unit off. I'm gonna save a little bit of this for some baby hair. Okay, y'all, so I'm going for a side part. This is a 13 by 6, which means you have a lot of parting space. I'm going to actually curve this part in the back. I'm going to take some of my mousse just to help lay this down. I'm gonna cut a little bit of baby hairs. I'm trying to recreate Ari's look. And I'm gonna lay this down using my mousse. And before I curl the other side, let me stand up really quick just so you guys can see where this lays on me. This is 18 inches, and as you can see, the other side, when it's curled, it's gonna lay a little bit shorter. I'm gonna take my 2-inch flat iron for over here. And I'm gonna take my curling iron and just let it sit right here for a second to help give it that bump. And last, I'm gonna add some powder to the parting area. I'm gonna try and go in with my Fit Me powder first and see if this works. I'm gonna dust some along the hairline. I'm gonna go ahead and add my makeup to my forehead, and I'll be right back. Let me go ahead and spray some of this hairspray on it. So dolls, what do you guys think? I think I did a pretty good job, if I do say so myself. Of course, you guys know Tay is the GOAT. Tay is in the league all by his own. But I am proud of myself. I think I did a pretty good job. If you guys agree, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and let me know and comment down below. But let's go ahead and get into the details of this unit. This here, as I mentioned, is from XrsBeauty. This is the first time I'm working with this vendor, and I will say that I am shook. I really like what I see. I really wish that I didn't cut the hairline as much as I did. I feel like the front would have laid even more just because of the way it was plucked. Most likely when I take this off, I'm gonna pluck it a little more just to give me a better look in the front. But I do think it turned out pretty well. It's a very natural look. This lace, they call it the clear lace, and as you guys can see, it's very clear. You don't even see it. It's very natural looking. The hair texture, I love the hair texture of this hair. And you guys know I don't even like straight hair, but as you can see, this hair really holds a curl. I barely bumped the ends and it's holding up. So I know if I wanted to curl it, it's gonna do pretty well. Yeah, I'm really satisfied with this unit. So I'm gonna keep this one for myself. So if you are interested, y'all gonna have to go ahead and get it from the vendor. This will not be up on my website. I'm actually kind of upset that I'm about to go to sleep after this. Like, somebody needs to see me, okay? No offense, besides you guys. And when I say somebody, I mean like a tall, dark, handsome specimen. But I'm probably gonna just go to sleep and this is gonna be a wash. And then I know once I'm ready to go somewhere, my hair's not gonna behave like this. But, you know, such is life. I've already gone through the different type of lace for you guys in previous videos. I will do a swatch just so you can see the difference between the lace on this unit as compared to the lace on different units as far as like transparent lace and the regular brown lace. Obviously, when you're dealing with a clear lace like this that's HD, you're gonna pay a little bit more for it. I haven't looked at the price of this unit, but I do expect it's not necessarily cheap, just based off of the quality. I personally always say you get what you pay for. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, as always, I'll have everything linked in the description box down below. But y'all gonna have to help me name this unit. What do you think we should call her? She is B-O-M-B. Yes, love her. Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And while you're at it, be sure and check out some of my other videos. And dolls, as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.